Today, we're going to talk about how you can use gift cards to boost your holiday sales and profits. Coming up next. In 1995, a game-changing product was introduced for businesses, the gift card. Since then, it's become one of the most requested products or most requested gifts for a consumer to receive. They're easy to give to your friends and family, and they're easy for businesses to sell. You should offer gift cards during the holiday season, and we'll talk about why coming up. For more than 11 years in a row, gift cards have been the most requested holiday gift among consumers. In fact, 60% of consumers say that they're requesting a gift card, and 91% of consumers say that they will either receive or give 7 gift cards this year. And it's easy to see why. Utilizing gift cards is easy, handing them out is easy, giving them to friends and family. Additionally, it reduces turnover or returned inventory for businesses. So you don't get a lot of people after the holidays returning unwanted items, you don't have damaged inventory, anything like that. If you're able to use gift cards effectively, you can grow your profitability and grow your sales. In addition, most consumers will spend up to 20% more than the actual face value of the gift card. With an average gift card being $45, that 20% increase could put you between $55 and $60 in actual sales made. Offering gift cards, especially during the holiday season, is a no-brainer for businesses that want to increase their revenue, increase their profitability, and drive more customers into their business. And at Marketing 360 Payments, we make it easy. You can go to marketing360.com/payments or give us a call at 970-658-3329. We're happy to help you, and we'll get you started with gift cards right in time for the holidays. Thanks so much for watching, and happy marketing.